In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own app in Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Once the search results appear, click on the official Google AI Studio page to open the platform. From there, look for the Start Building button and select it. This takes you into the workspace where you can begin creating your app. After you enter the App Builder area, go to the Settings section. This is where you'll configure the foundation of your project before generating anything. One of the first things you'll need to do here is choose a model. The model you select will affect how your app behaves and responds, so take a moment to pick the one that best fits the kind of app you want to create. Next, choose a framework. If you're building a modern web app, options like React or Next.js are good choices. If your goal is to create a mobile experience, you can choose the option to build an Android app instead. This part is important because the framework determines the structure and environment your app will be built in. Once that's set, move to the prompt area. Here, you can type your own prompt or paste in a finished prompt that clearly describes the app you want Google AI Studio to generate. Try to be as specific and organized as possible so the result matches your idea more closely. A clear prompt usually leads to a better first version. When everything looks ready, click Build. Google AI Studio will then begin creating your app. Give it a little time to finish generating the project. After the app is done, review what was created carefully. This is the stage where you can check the layout, features, and overall functionality, then make edits to refine and finalize your app. And that's the basic process for creating your own app in Google AI Studio.